Hello, my friend. Are messy drawers driving you crazy? Do you find it challenging to locate specific items when you need them? Or do you constantly struggle with limited drawer space for household items? Having lived in 3 countries and 6 different homes, we've drawn from our past experiences and created this video to share 4 simple and effective steps for organizing your drawers. Let's get started. Step 1. Take everything out and clean the drawers. To kickstart your drawer organization project, start by emptying all the drawers. Sort the contents into 3 piles. 1 for donations, 1 for items to keep, and 1 for garbage. Discard anything you no longer use. This principle applies to all drawers in your home. Once the drawers are empty, use a damp cloth to wipe off any dust inside the drawers or vacuum the interior. Step 2. Planning and taking measurements. After emptying the drawers, group similar items together. Then plan where each type of item should be located within the drawers for easy access. Once you envision the contents of each drawer, it's essential to measure the width, length, and also depth of each drawer before purchasing them. Making a list of each drawer with the dimensions. This information will help you select the appropriate organizers for your drawers. Step 3. Finding the right drawer. Organizers. Organizing drawers isn't a one-size-fits-all task, since drawers vary in shape and size. Nevertheless, with careful measuring and planning, you can have your drawers perfectly organized in no time. After carefully planning, measuring, and shopping, I discovered a variety of drawer organizers suitable for all the rooms in my home. I chose a small drawer organizer made of non-woven material for the dresser drawers in our bedroom. I have a couple of Made Smart plastic trays, and I'm impressed by their quality. I recently purchased another one for the sideboard drawers in the dining room. As for the kitchen cookware drawer, drawer dividers are essential and cost-effective organizers for our cookware drawers. For my kitchen deep drawer, I've selected 2 organizers. One is a compact 2-tier knife drawer organizer for our knives. Another is an in-drawer spice rack. I bought a variety of acrylic bins in different sizes that would be perfect for my bathroom drawers. Transparent or white storage bins look clean and are ideal for organizing bathroom items. I have everything I need for my drawer organization. In the next section, I'll show you just how perfectly these bins fit and tidy up all my drawers. Step 4. Group the items and keep trays in place. In the bedroom dresser drawers, I keep my small items like socks, bras, panties, and tank tops. I chose foldable drawer organizers made of non-woven material. They are foldable, washable, have mesh ventilation, multiple compartments, and are lightweight. These organizers keep the small items neat and visible, making it easy to access what you need. In my utensil drawer, I selected the MadeSmart 5-compartment plastic tray, taking its dimensions into account. This tray features a soft grip surface lining and sturdy non-slip rubber feet to keep items neatly in place without shifting when opening and closing the drawer. What I appreciate the most is the use of BPA-free plastic, ensuring quality and a good fit for my shallow drawer. In the cookware drawer, rather than simply placing ladles and slotted spoons in an open drawer, consider using adjustable dividers to create compartments and prevent them from shifting. These dividers come in various materials and feature an expandable and adjustable design, making them suitable for fitting into drawers and cabinets. The in-drawer knife organizer fits my kitchen deep drawer very well. What stands out about this organizer is its safety features, space-efficient design, and the reasonable price. It can store up to 9 knives, making it perfect for drawers with a minimum height of 3 inches. The in-drawer spice rack is made from recycled material. This spice rack is designed to fit standard drawers and can accommodate up to 12 spice bottles. Given the layout of our dining room with 2 low-height drawers and 2 deep drawers, we utilize the top low-height drawers to store flatware, cutlery, and smaller dining utensils. placing the folded linens and placemats in the middle deep drawer. Utilizing the folding method for your kitchen towels is a great way to save space and ensure easy access. In the bottom deep drawer, we store larger serving platters, trays, specialty serving pieces, aluminum foil, parchment paper, plastic wrap, and sandwich bags. Organizing bathroom drawers can be quite challenging due to their deep and narrow nature. The top drawer stores essential items for daily grooming and personal care, such as toothbrushes, dental floss, hairbrush or comb, facial cream and cotton swabs, etc. Arranging a two-part organizer alongside a 6-inch by 6-inch acrylic bin in the middle deep drawer is an ideal solution for organizing smaller items, such as hand creams, makeup remover, or facial toner. I utilize a couple of 6-inch by 6-inch acrylic bins in the deep drawers. These bins are excellent for partitioning the drawer space and maintaining tidiness. The bathroom bottom drawer is typically store larger or less frequently used items. It can be face towels, extra toilet paper rolls, backup toiletries, cleaning supplies for the bathroom. We shouldn't forget about the junk drawer. Utilizing acrylic or plastic trays of various sizes can really help optimize the use of even those low-height desk drawers in your workspace, especially when standard organizers just don't cut it. By mixing, matching, and stacking these individual bins, you can accommodate a much broader range of items all in a single space. This helps enhance the overall versatility and efficiency of your drawer organization. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more organizing tips. The upcoming video will share even more home organization tips. Keep watching and feel free to leave your comments below. See you soon.